Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Toyota Sienna XLE. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 36 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.